Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Canva presentation with anyone. So what you need to do is you have to open the document on Canva and then navigate to the share menu right here. And here we have plenty of sharing options, but the top section here, the one that says people with access, is specifically made for collaboration. So if you have a document that you want to share with your collaborator or with your coworker, then you can type their email or their username right here, and then they should be able to access the document. And that is quite simple, and I think pretty straightforward. But the second option is to share the document to the public. Basically anyone, even without Canva account, should be able to access the document, or maybe even edit the document if you want to. And that is available in this section, the collaboration link. Now you want to change the access from only you can access to anyone with the link. And then here you want to select the role or the permission for the document. You can choose either view, comment, or edit. Edit is the highest, but I don't think I want to use that, so I'm going to just this option to view. So anyone with the link should be able to see the document. Let me click copy, and I'm going to open an incognito window just to show you a quick demonstration that this URL will lead to the same document. And yeah, even though I don't use any Canva account here, this is completely brand new incognito page. You see, I can interact with the document, I can see it, although I cannot do anything other than that. I cannot modify anything, I cannot add a comment, because the role is for viewing the document only. So that's basically how you can share your Canva document to anyone.